believe it or not, I am not a tea or a coffee person. I've never had tea or coffee actively my entire life. ஆனால் வந்து after I started my company, I started going to my manufacturers, clients place போகும்போது the first thing they ask is டீ வேணுமா காஃபி வேணுமா. It's a general thing that people ask. And I didn't want to be at a place ஃபஸ்ட்டு கேட்குற கேள்வியே நான் வந்து இல்லை வேண்டாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்ல வேண்டாம்னு இருக்கிறதுனால டீ கொடுங்க காஃபி கொடுங்க. ஏன்னா அப்படி ஆரம்பிச்சது at one point it கொஞ்சம் ஒரு அடிக்ஷனாக மாறிச்சு. ஓகே டெய்லி ஒரு டீ குடிக்கணும் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி அது ஒரு ஃபேஸ் இருந்துச்சு. ஓகே நம்ம டெய்லி டீ குடிக்கணும் சம்திங் அபவுட் டீ மேக்ஸ் யூ வாண்ட் டு ஹேவ் டீ அகைன். ஸோ தட் வாஸ் ஒன் ஃபேஸ். அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து there was a break and now at any point when people offer me tea or coffee, I don't mind. Hey, yes, definitely I have tea or coffee. More of a tea person than a coffee person. Again, not actively tea, but whenever I get a chance, if it demands me to have tea, I will have tea. As a active person in Chennai, one of the brands which I always look up to is Chai Kings. It was when I was in school, when I was going to college and zone la irukumbodhu brand which I used to look up to. And eventually college la mudichu na varumbodhu company irukumbodhu hey இந்த கம்பெனி கூட ஒரு வேலை பார்த்தா நல்லா இருக்கும் அப்படின்ற ஒரு ஆசை இருந்துச்சு. Coincidentally, I met the marketing person at an event and I told him, hey, I do this things in cardboard. And he was like, hey, I run the marketing of Chai Kings. And it was surprising, wonderful, a match made in heaven marriage. And next surprise is my office and Chai King's office was very close to each other. So directly went, met the person, met the founders. Very full circle, nice moment. And that's how it started. Chinna vishangal we do, and everywhere we say that, hey, we've done project with Chai Kings. It's always people look, oh, you Chai Kings ke pandringla, because Chai Kings is known to everyone around Chennai, so it instantly adds value to the things that we do, and people are like, hey, okay, they're doing for Chai Kings, obviously they can do it for us also. So Chai Kings has been a great feather in the cap for us. Okay, so I run a brand called as Out of the Box. Out of the Box has been a wonderful, amazing company where we do a lot of things out of cardboard, using cardboard as a primary material. We put our thinking, we put our creativity and make multiple things to make it easier for people to understand. We do three things. We do packaging, we do products, and we do events and large scale sculptures. Products வந்து இப்போ இந்த மாதிரி பேக்ல இருந்து டேபிள்ஸ்ல இருந்து ஃபர்னிச்சர்ல இருந்து all of those things we do. And packaging is packaging, but we also specialize in a lot of very creative packaging where, let's say, it could be a simple box, but it transforms into something useful. So this is my visiting card also. This visiting card becomes a phone stand. So something which is as simple as this can become something like very interesting. Same we do for all the packaging and all the things that we do. Out of the Box is this very creative cardboard design studio that I run. It's been 4 years since I started. The idea வந்து இப்போ வரல. It was there when I was in college. College படிக்கும்போது I moved out to a temporary place where I didn't have any furniture, unfurnished house மாதிரி ஒன்று போனேன். அங்கே வந்து as a product designer I wanted to make my own furniture and things, and I tried with wood, I tried with steel and everything, but didn't have the budget, didn't have the money, didn't have the machinery to make it. But I went with cardboard boxes and I thought, hey, can I try to do something with cardboard அப்படின்ற ஒரு தாட்ல ஆரம்பிச்சது. And I eventually made a bed, a chair, a table, a stool, and started using it for 6 months. And the beauty of it is not in அது பண்ணதில்லை, but when people came and saw, wow, how is this even possible? And I wanted more of that. Wow, how is this even possible when I do something of my own? And eventually during COVID, I made a product for a sanitizer stand panna, which became viral and sold a lot. So adlan on the cast அப்படியே continued Out of the Box. Started as a single person team. Now it's a team of 16 people where we have designers, we have people who help us in the making of it and everything. We've done very crazy projects. We've made a boat, took it to the ocean. We've done a 20-30 foot sculpture. We're trying to build a house in cardboard. So a lot of different things which people think இது லூஸ்தனமாக இருக்கே பைத்தியமாக இருக்கே அப்படின்ட்டு, but we kind of make it possible also. And we've been able to do it consistently, creatively for the last 3 to 4 years. Yes, it's been my journey.